I found Muttville through a colleague of mine at work. She suggested coming to an adoption event at Muttville. And so I stopped by. It was the Valentine's Day event, and I came for that event and I never left.
The senior dogs are super sweet. They're a lot calmer, and they really do need a second chance. When you see a senior dog, it sometimes takes people a little longer. They have a lot more needs sometimes. They come from very diverse, different backgrounds, and they just need love. And I think that's one of the things that I found that I can offer them without having to be running around, without having to sometimes do all the extra training, but just, someone to sit with and hang out with.
Senior dogs are wonderful. Senior dogs normally come to you house trained. They are quiet for the most part. They are very, very loving.
The dogs just bring you back every time.
I like being a volunteer with Muttville because I like giving back to senior dogs, and I like giving back to the greater dog community. And if anybody's ever had a dog and lost them, volunteering with Muttville is one of the best ways to heal the heart and to give back to dogs.
Volunteer for facilities and walking, so I walk dogs a few days a week and help clean up the facility.
Always cleaning up after the dogs, and I feed them, and I make sure that they have the proper medications and the proper dosage, and then I get up the next day and do it all over again.
When I got involved with Muttville, I started fostering, and I still continue to foster. Now, even though I've adopted dogs, I still have foster dogs around. One of the other things I do is I help out at events.
We have a number of events at Muttville, and we have both adoption events as well as some fundraising events. So every week we have Senior Saturday, where we have our Muttville headquarters site open from 12 to 3, and we normally have about 5 or 6 dogs that are outside, and the rest of the dogs are upstairs in the Muttville headquarters. And our goal is to have folks stop by and see the dogs that we have for adoption and hopefully decide to adopt a dog.
I come to events and help people meet dogs they're interested in adopting. And I also work with new foster homes. So when people apply to foster and take their first foster dog home, I am there as a resource for them as a foster mentor, and am there for them to call when they have problems, call when they have questions, and to help them navigate the experience of fostering a dog.
Volunteering at Muttville has been one of the most amazing, fulfilling, and exciting things that I've honestly done in my life. The passion I feel for the mission of Muttville and the adoption and care of senior dogs is immense. Every week I'm here a few days, and when I leave, I feel that hopefully I've done something good for the dogs, and in some ways I feel like I'm getting back much more than I'm actually giving.
It's about helping dogs, and helping dogs heal and rehabilitate and recover from their previous lives, and prepare them for their future lives.
Adopt a senior dog.
Because it's never too late for a new beginning.